Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to regulate a watch. This comes with an NH35, and this watch of mine is running bit slow. Today I'm going to show you how to regulate it. This is not the best way to measure your watch with a phone. Also, I'm speaking. So it's running around minus 36, which is not okay at all. I'll show you how to regulate this particular movement, and while I'm doing that, I will make sure that I'm a little bit quiet, otherwise pick the rate properly. I really encourage you to put your movement in a movement holder like this and remove the case back. That's the first thing you need to do to regulate it. You need to have access to the movement. This has to be a DIY hack. How you can do it by yourself. Alright, the case back is off. While I'm doing this, don't expect 100% accuracy during the video. It's really difficult for me to achieve that. The purpose of this video is to show you how to regulate NH35. I hope you can see two regulator points. One is this and the other one is this. One is for the beat error, the other one is for your movement error. So we only going to fiddle it around with this particular one, which we going to increase and decrease to get the accuracy. I'll keep a little quiet so it can recognize the beats. So it's something around minus 36. So what we need to do is we need to adjust this lever towards the plus side to increase the beats, to minimize the error. So already you can see I have gone too far ahead. So it is running too fast at the moment. So I need to reduce it. Take your time when you do this. Let's see, it is improving. 24, 19, 15, 12, 10. I think we have achieved very good accuracy at the moment. It is 3, which is good tolerance indeed. Let me closely show you. I only adjusted this particular lever. You can see here towards your right it is plus, towards your left it is minus. So I adjusted this back and forth to achieve that particular accuracy because originally you saw that was running at minus 36 or something like that. From there we went up plus 40 odd because you need to do only a very slight adjustment to that particular lever to achieve the accuracy. So I came back down. So at the moment I think the accuracy what we achieved was really great. It was running around 1 per day. So the accuracy what we achieved was really good. I'll try to show you. Okay, it is minus 2 right now, which is really good from where it was previously. See, this is very good adjustment because I'm really lucky because it's really difficult to adjust it while I'm filming it. But still, I was able to adjust it. Only I, with 2 tries, I was able to make it work really good. Let us see. This is from the other side. the dial up. Even on that angle, it's really doing good. Guys, I think this has helped many of you. You don't have to worry to get the NH35 to work or get the accuracy. You can simply do this at home. I have done this a few times back, so it was easy for me to get it at two go, but some of you may have to do it few more times to get the perfect accuracy. But everything about the watches are very gentle and subtle. With few adjustments here and there, we have achieved great accuracy with this NH35 movement. That's why the NH35 is considered as one of the best workhorse movements. And many of the budget watches, that's why they use this NH35, NH34, NH36, very safe zone to be in. It is very easy to maneuver as well. You saw me adjusting this only 2 or 3 times to get this particular accuracy from minus 36 to running at 0 1, which is very good. After regulating your watch, now it's done. I'm very happy with my watch, how it's working now, how it was before. Now you need to get the, be very careful. You need to finish the job which you started. All right. Don't forget to tight this. Otherwise, you will have a watch which is water damaged. All right, that's enough. Okay, guys, how to get your watch regulated at home with simple tools. I didn't use any special tools to do this. Thank you very much for watching this, guys. I hope this has helped many of you. And hit that subscribe button and watch out for more videos like these simple hacks of how to maintain your mechanical watches.